Hi, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and here I have a Pavoni lever machine. So this machine came in for a tune-up because the lever was feeling a bit stiff when pulling a shot, so I've replaced all of the gaskets throughout the machine. These are the ones that would have made the lever a bit stiff, so I replaced them with new lubricated gaskets. And then I've got the group head gasket here, some gaskets for the water level, and another one for the plastic sleeve. We've got one behind the group head for the steam assembly, and another one here in the group head. So I also scrubbed the machine, cleaned out any excess coffee residue, and cleaned out any mineral buildup that I found once the machine was open. So I'm just going to do a quick demo for you with this test coffee. So it's not going to be the perfect shot, but it's just to show that the machine works. Here we're just letting in water. Alright. Here you can see we've got a nice shot of espresso, and then I'll show you the steam. So hopefully you can see that nice strong steam. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.